With a Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig, setup is all based on the thickness of your material. And the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO makes that setup process easy. All you need to know is the actual thickness of your material. And if you're not sure what that is, you can use the material thickness gauge that comes with the jig. Just hold it alongside your workpiece and you can see if it ends up in the 1/2 inch, the 3/4 inch, or the 1.5 inch range. So for a piece that's 3/4, I know it falls in that range, and now you can set up the Easy Set drill bit to match. The drill bit has etched markings for 1/2, 3/4, and 1.5 inch thicknesses. So just use the wrench that's built into the thickness gauge, line up the window and the stop collar with the thickness you need, and then tighten it down. That just leaves one more step. You'll want to adjust the drill guide block to again match the same thickness. You'll see marks at 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1.5 inch. All you have to do is squeeze the tabs on the sides of the drill guide block and slide it to where it needs to go. You can see it's locked in at 3/4, the same as I set the bit and the same as I measured the material. So now, all you have to do is clamp the workpiece in, and you know that you'll be set to drill pocket holes accurately. As long as you're using materials of the same thickness, you don't need to change your setup. But if you change thicknesses, don't forget to adjust your drill guide block and the stop collar on the bit to match that thickness. And by the way, you may occasionally find a thickness like this one that lands in between. It's not in the 3/4 range or the 1.5 inch, it's in this area in the middle. We'll take you through how to do that in the owner's manual, but essentially you'll use the same 3/4 inch setup on the drill guide and bit and just assemble it with a slightly longer screw.